Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, we are going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels lag. Sometimes if you are trying to watching Reels on Instagram, they just might lag. So there are some tips that you can just follow to solve this lag. Head over to your Instagram app for it and then make sure you have logged in into your desired account and go to Reels section. Sometimes Instagram just might lag these Reels on. So all you need to do is make sure you have just updated your Instagram. Make sure you have updated your Instagram and you can just see it from your Play Store. Head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. And if it's already updated, then you can see there is an enable auto update option. I have just checked and my Instagram will be updated automatically once there is an update. And if your Instagram isn't updated, make sure it is updated with the recent version. And you can just head over to your Instagram again after installing. Hopefully then the lag will be gone. And yeah, this is how you can solve this problem. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned with us for more tech tips and tricks.